Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 27, class 10th, science. Life processes, respiration. The human respiratory system can be broadly divided into two parts based on the functions. System of interconnecting cavities and tubes that conduct air into lungs. Nose warms filters air as it is inhaled. Pharynx passageway for air leads to trachea. Larynx voice box. Trachea connects pharynx to bronchi. The rings of cartilage provide structure and keep the windpipe open. Trachea is lined with fine hair called cilia, which filter air before it reaches lungs, bronchi. These are two branches at the end of trachea which lead to a lung system where exchange of respiratory gases occur. Respiratory bronchioles, narrowest airways of lungs, deliver air to exchange surface of lungs. Alveolar ducts, a network of smaller branches leading from the bronchi into lungs tissue and ultimately to air sacs. Alveoli, the functional respiratory unit in lungs where gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged, enter and exit the blood. Here you can see process of inhalation and exhalation. It is taking in air rich in oxygen. It occurs due to contraction of muscles attached to ribs. This lifts ribs and flattens diaphragm, which increase the volume of thoracic cavity. Hence, the pressure inside the thoracic cavity decreases and air rushes inside the lungs. डायफ्राम नीचे की तरफ आता है, फ्लैट हो जाता है, तो एयर को सक कर लेता है. Exhalation, it is expelling of air rich in carbon dioxide. It occurs due to relaxation of muscles attached to ribs and diaphragm becomes dome shaped, यानी डायफ्राम ऊपर की तरफ चला जाता है, डोम शेप्ड हो जाता है. This decreases the volume of thoracic cavity and decrease air pressure. यहाँ इन्होंने decrease air pressure लिखा है, ये होगा increase air pressure. जब वॉल्यूम thoracic cavity का डिक्रीज होगा तो एयर प्रेशर अंदर का लंग्स का thoracic cavity का इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, और जब प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा तो अंदर से जो एयर होगी वो एक्सपेल हो जाएगी, बाहर चली जाएगी. ये आप देख सकते हैं कैसे गैसियस एक्सचेंज टेक्स प्लेस इनसाइड द एल्वियोलाई. रेड कलर के एरोस शोज कर रहे हैं कि ऑक्सीजन ली जा रही है ब्लड द्वारा, और जो ब्लू कलर के एरोस वो ये शो कर रहे हैं कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एल्वियोलाई में छोड़ी जा रही है ब्लड द्वारा. Within the lungs, the alveoli, singular alveolus, provide a surface where the exchange of gases can take place. Walls of the alveoli contain an extensive network of blood vessels. The capillaries bring carbon dioxide rich blood from the rest of the body for release into alveoli, and the oxygen in the alveolar air is taken up by blood in the alveolar blood vessel to be transported to all the cells in the body. When the body size of animal is large, the diffusion pressure alone cannot take care of oxygen delivery to all parts of the body. Instead, respiratory pigments take up oxygen from the air in the lungs and carry it to the tissue which are deficient in oxygen before releasing it. In human being, the respiratory pigment is hemoglobin, which has a very high affinity for oxygen. This is present in the red blood corpuscles. It means कि ब्लड का जो हीमोग्लोबिन है वो ऑक्सीजन लेता है, हाई एफिनिटी ऑक्सीजन की, यानी ऑक्सीजन के साथ वो बॉन्डिंग करता है और वो ऑक्सीजन लेकर ब्लड के द्वारा बॉडी के जिस भी पार्ट में रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वो ऑक्सीजन दे देता है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेके वो एल्वियोली में छोड़ देता है. लेट अस प्रैक्टिस सम क्वेश्चंस नाउ. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन of ring of cartilage? The ring of cartilage provide structure and keep the windpipe open. How is oxygen transported in large multicellular organisms like humans? In large multicellular organisms like human, oxygen is transported with the help of blood. Respiratory pigment take up oxygen from the air in the lungs and carry it to the different parts of the body. In human being, the respiratory pigment is hemoglobin. Question number 3. Explain the movement of diaphragm during inhalation and exhalation. During inhalation, diaphragm flattens, which increase the volume of thoracic cavity. Hence, the pressure inside the thoracic cavity decreases and air rushes inside of the lungs. During exhalation, diaphragm becomes dome-shaped. This decreases the volume of the thoracic cavity and increase air pressure and expels air out of the lungs.